North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Road King. Beautiful paint job, has the nice metal flake in it, tons of shiny chrome, has the LED headlights, turn signals, running lights, nice tall windshield, and everything matches. We have the hand grips, floorboards, heel toe shifter, derby covers, passenger floorboards, and up on the other side we have the intake and the brake pedal, other covers as well. This also has the beautiful Screaming Eagles exhaust, and she will fire right up. In San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check her out.